In a real life, you're on the road. Keep your eyes on the road. You see? So you done no 9 yard. No fender bending. Yeah, no road rage. Just take your time, you will reach. So set up. In a real time. Sealer.